Let me show you how to change app tint and color on iOS 18. To change app icon colors and add a tint in iOS 18, long press on the home screen background. Tap Edit, then Customize. And choose between Light, Dark, Automatic, or Tinted to customize the appearance of your app icons. Light icons and widgets will appear in a light mode style. Dark icons and widgets will appear in a dark mode style. Automatic icons and widgets will automatically switch between light and dark based on the time of day. Tinted. Use the sliders to choose the color and saturation of the tint. Use an eyedropper tool to select a color from the wallpaper to apply to the icons. Experiment until you get your desired result, and tap anywhere outside the window. And that's it. That's you changed your app tint and color in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, I'd be grateful if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for future updates. And I'll see you in the next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon.